Hello, I am Nahida and welcome to Enovin Foods. Today we are making aloo egg nashta, a perfect combination of potatoes, eggs and spices wrapped in a crunchy layer. Let's start. Preparing the dough. Start with 1 cup of flour, half teaspoon salt and 1 tablespoon oil. Mix well, then add 1/3 cup of water and knead into a smooth dough. This recipe is a twist on traditional samosas but with a unique flavor combination. Let it rest while we prepare the filling. For the filling, mash 2 boiled potatoes and grate 1 boiled egg. Potatoes are naturally gluten-free and packed with energy, making them a great addition to quick snacks. Did you know eggs are a powerhouse of protein and essential nutrients, making this snack both tasty and nutritious? Add 2 tablespoons of onion, 1 chopped green chili, half teaspoon chili flakes, cumin, chaat masala, chili powder and salt. 1 tablespoon of fresh coriander for extra flavor. Finally, mix in 2 tablespoons of corn flour to bind everything together. Adding corn flour to the filling keeps it firm and prevents it from breaking. Now roll out the dough and cut it into round shape. Resting the dough makes it softer and easier to roll. Take some filling, shape it into a roll and place it in the center. Apply a little water at the edges, fold and seal it well to avoid spilling while frying. Fry in medium heated oil until golden brown and crispy. You can use a lid if oil splatter. Always fry on medium heat for an even golden color and a perfectly crisp texture. And there you have it, crunchy on the outside, soft and flavorful on the inside. Would you like to try a baked version of this snack? Let us know in the comments. If you love crispy snacks, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more quick and easy recipes.